Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you join Binance Fan Arena. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Binance application, and after opening the Binance application you will get to see this Binance icon into the top left corner. Tap into that icon and then it will lead you to this page. Now in here, you just simply have to tap into more services button, and after tapping into there, you will get to see a bunch of options again. Just simply scroll down and scroll down until you see the option of fan token into trade. Just simply tap to fan token after finding out, and after tapping into there, you will get to see this option of Binance Fan Arena. Now you just simply have to tap to I accept and then tap to join now. And if the server is running correctly and if you have verified your account, you can easily join Fan Arena by tapping into join now. Just simply select the arena that you want to join by scrolling and do that. This way you can easily join Binance Fan Arena. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.